Alright guys, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video. And today we're going to be changing a thermostat on a 2008 Land Rover. And this thermostat is a little funny because when you buy it, you'll get it like this, in pieces. So you actually have to put it together. First time that I've seen this disassembled to this extent. So this is going to be a first for all of us, and maybe for you too, I'm not sure, but we're going to figure it out and get her done. So I'm going to pass on the camera to my camera boy over here. And as you can see, the first thing we have to do is we got to, you see these two little tangs here, we got to get them undone. So we got to kind of push down and twist at the same time. Let me see if I could do this without getting hurt. You know what, let me try with two screwdrivers. See if that helps out any. A pair of pliers maybe. Let me see if there's a, before we get all crazy with it. No, it just kind of falls in there. Okay, so we're just gonna
Oh.
And that's what I didn't want to happen.
Okay.
Where did the little piece go?
Okay.
Well, the spring went back here somewhere. There's one spring. What fell over here?
The top part, maybe?
No. Okay. So as you can see, this was all torn apart. So this was probably my, more than likely my overheating problem on that car. Okay, so we're gonna try to disassemble this. I wish I could find the other spring. Oh, here it is. All right, so here we have the top part. Here we have one spring, and here we have this sealing part, which goes right here. I want to clean that up first, and then here we have this other spring. Now they're not quite identical. Of course, this is aftermarket. So let me clean that up a little bit. Just the little edges here where, see, there was a little bit of stuff caked up in. I really don't know why they don't just sell the whole assembly. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. So this obviously goes right in there, like so, and it sits in there perfectly. Okay, then we have this part that kind of slides in here, and then it clicks right in there, like so. Okay, so obviously this goes in here, like so. Okay, the little spring goes inside of this, and then the bigger spring, like this. So it's kind of tapered, so you got to figure out which way does it go, like this or like that. Obviously it goes like this because it doesn't fit the other way. So this presses up against that, and then this slides in here. The big base, because it's like a tapered spring, goes in here, and then the smaller end rests up against that, just like so. So then here comes the fun part where we have to compress everything, and we want to get it as close as possible. Oof. Yeah, this is easier said than done because of the tension of the springs. Okay. See, I want to get it as close as possible, so that when it comes time to it, I could just twist. Guess if I use my palm, now it's in there. It's just not all the way in there, so I want to keep my palm over it and prevent it from getting shot out like a projectile, like it did the first time. Boom. And there. And there we have it. It's secured here and here. The spring is in here, and this spring is keeping tension, and we got a good seal there, because this one has seen better days. This one has definitely seen better days. So there you have it. It looks weird, it looks unusual, but there's really nothing to it. I put this on a bench vise so it could be easier. And if you guys come with me to the car, I'll show you exactly where it goes. It's just 3 little screws. It's not that difficult. And it goes right in here. Bloop. Just like that. Here's the hole right here. You just move these hoses out of the way. And it goes in just like that. Come over so you can get a better angle. Okay, just 3 screws. You got to get the air intake out of the way. Got to get the air intake out of the way, and it's right there in that hole. Alright guys, well, that's it for now. It's a quick video on how to